Wash 12 grape tomatoes and add them to the bowl. Next, drain 12 mini bocconcini and add them to the same bowl. Now let's add the seasoning. We'll start with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, then we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Next, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now you will want to mix all the ingredients together. Next, we're going to do the assembly of the skewers. First, you want to gather 4 skewers that are 8 inches long and also wash 12 basil leaves. Now we're going to take one of the mini bocconcini and insert the skewer until the cheese is at the bottom. Now take one of the basil leaves, fold it in half and insert into the skewer. Now take one of the grape tomatoes and insert on the skewer until it reaches a basil leaf. Repeat this 2 more times until you get a set of 3 on each skewer. Next, let's add some sweetness. I like to finish the caprese skewers by drizzling them with balsamic glaze. We have a recipe below to make your own, or you can buy it already made at the grocery store. I find it best to drizzle with the glaze just before serving. Check out this next recipe for more easy appetizers.